Hello traders, good morning. 3rd of August 2023. What a blessing day, guys. Amazing trade. Euro USD. Let's talk about the Euro USD. All right, as you have seen, we've been short, and in my previous analysis, the price nicely broken. After this breakout, price nicely developed pullback. So we were expecting a pullback short trade here. So we've been short since yesterday at the New York session once the price broken this level. And even London morning, we also had another pullback small short trade here. Let's see if the price is going to hit the profit target or not. We'll find out. Let me share with you guys how I analyze the market. Pretty straightforward. You can see here based on the Asian session, this is what we're expecting. Structured breakout as explained, look for pullback. Price nicely developed pullback based on the analysis, broken, and afterwards, as explained, my trader just keep taking a pullback. So we had such a nice, beautiful short trade yesterday. And even this morning, you can see here, this is the price action. This is what we're going to call you guys. We train people with the live market. Simple. And give all this explanation. So based on this analysis, you can see here, price develop pullback, beautiful short trade. As soon as the price hit to the previous low level, explain, enjoy some profit or at least move your stop loss at the break even. I hope you enjoy this analysis. You want to watch all this analysis, you want to learn forex trading or find good opportunity in real time, most welcome. Join our fast growing today community, guys. Have a nice day.